This is Google I/O 2012.
See in the middle, we have two
Google
live games
TV
going
Sandbox.
on,
There's an app for Google TV called Thuuz.
Games off to the left.
You see it down there in the corner.
Games, what are those ranked to the top? Those are our excitement ratings that we come up with based on algorithm that computes several factors based on like pace of the game, novelty of the plays, rivalry of the teams, big comebacks, things like that. Hundreds of factors go into making a number between 0 and 100. 100 being like the best game ever. So, I mean, if you can imagine the Giants' perfect game a week, 2 ago, that was 100 on our Thuuz scale.
Okay.
So here we have the Giants game. Let's just go ahead and go into here and see what we got. This is 3-0 Dodgers. This is our excitement graph throughout the different innings of the game. We try to propagate where you can actually watch the game. So we're working closely with Dish Network, and so we can actually tune into this game right now, or we can actually choose to record this game to our DVR.
So for rights purposes, we don't want to get in trouble, but we're not showing any of that stuff, but of course you can have the game on while you're doing all of this stuff and see it at the same time.
Correct. And we try to make it really easy, just one click, switch to the channel. We also give you summary and stats and online resources where you can actually catch highlights, condensed video, things like that.
Now I see the Friends tab up at the top. What's that all about?
So we've recently added some social features. So we call, instead of commenting on a game or sharing a game, we call it Thuuzing a game.
Okay.
So, Google's a verb. We're trying to make Thuuz a verb.
Sure.
So you can see
a
here.
number of Thuuzes?
Yeah, so here we got a couple of people who have Thuuzed this particular game already today. And that's basically what Friends is all about, going out and finding your friends. And so you could follow them and you guys can have conversations about exciting games.
Cool.
Yeah, let's actually hop over to the DVR.
Okay.
So one exciting feature we worked on really hard, specifically for Google I/O, is integrating with the Dish box. So what we're doing here is we're making automated rules based on your personal preferences. Maybe it's your favorite team, maybe it's a favorite sports league that you like, but we'll automatically go out and record the game to your DVR for you. The app will. All you have to do is set up a rule. So you can see here, we're really into Euro soccer right now, so we have a rule set up to record all the European games. We're really Giants fans, so we've set a high priority that we're going to go ahead and record every single Giants game. Or you can use our algorithm to say, hey, when some other game I might not be or know about gets really exciting, go ahead and record it to my DVR for me.
It's very cool. So it's almost thinking for you in a sense. It's taking all the hassle out of figuring out which games are on, which ones might I like, all that stuff, at the same time.
Yeah, so it's all about discovering games that maybe you might not have known about.
Just real quick, any sort of advice for developers out there looking at Google TV as a platform, things you've learned, lessons you want to pass along?
For sure. There's definitely the mindset of the 10-foot UI. It's a bigger screen. Your users are going to be sitting further away from it, so you got to leverage the layouts to handle that. There's integration with the tuners with different, whatever your cable box is, a TiVo, a Dish, DirecTV. Being able to change the channel right then and there is pretty cool. Integrating with DVR to automatically record things is...
Right. This is awesome stuff, and I'm a big hockey fan, so I'm excited for when, of course, the NHL gets back in action. But guys, thank you so much. Brandon and Jordan, we appreciate this little tour of Thuuz.
Thank you so much.
All right, thanks, guys.
All right.
We're going to move on here.